Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to go over how to apply change to a deadlift. This is another version of accommodating resistance along with the bands that we discussed previously. First of all, we got to make sure that we have the change properly applied to the barbells and make sure that they're not ascending and descending on the load here, the way that it calls for an imbalance and possible injury. So what we did for safety purposes is we just put clamps around the ring that is attached to the band to ensure that it will stay in the same place throughout the movement. And now what Chase is going to do here is a conventional deadlift. Notice the setup is solid. And as he goes throughout his movement, you can see that the mass is increasing near the lockout point due to the amount of change coming up off the ground. So you're going to do one more. Very good. So rather than the lockout being the easiest point, it technically is the most difficult point because the mass at the lockout is greatest throughout the phase of the movement. So real quick, the difference between using accommodating resistance for a band has to do with the resistance being applied throughout the movement from potential energy in the within that band. Whereas here, the resistance is applied due to an increase in mass, allowing gravity to act more powerfully upon the lifter. And if you're wondering what percentage of your weight should you use for your extra resistance, either with a chain or a band, you're looking to replace it about 35%. So if you're of your 1RM, so if your deadlift max is 200 pounds, you would want to use 70 pounds of resistance for the band and or a chain, and that should give you the greatest increases in power, force, and rate of force development. So that will make the athlete a better overall conditioning. Stumbled there in the last